we need to improve our interoperability, our capabilities as your armed forces. We need to improve our capabilities as far as how we defend, how we intend to defend our national territory. Ikaduha is yung atong HADR capabilities. No? Ang HADR, since our country is experiencing calamities all year, no? Our intention is to mitigate the impact of calamity. And we can only do this if we know rapid response, we have equipment that could actually save lives, we have skilled personnel you can rely on and depend on in times of calamities. At ikatulo, deterrence. Deterrence, since we are not actually waging war, pero at least even any groups or individuals, we have double thoughts coming inside our country and affect our security. So these are the things that we wanted to achieve when we engaged to that agreement, the EDCA. And we want the people to understand our stand. Okay? It is not meant to actually kanang ma-affect ang moral and welfare ng atong mga kaigsunan. Kay on top of everything, it's the welfare of our people is our priority. No? Katong magingon sila na ang mga sundalo himuhimog lang kagubot, no? To think that our families are here too. We are also parents too. Ang atong mga relatives taga diri man pod. So we will not do anything that will harm our people as well as our families. So it will affect them as much as it affects you. So the same thing as actually we understand the situation of our people, their predicaments, their questions. These are all normals. 41 years naman ang Visiting Forces Agreement. We have been doing this an annual event. And it's the first time here in Mindanao, so we understand the reaction of our people here in Mindanao. Kakami man pod among mga parente, pero going in Luzon, it's normal view. Makikita silang mga Amerikano dito is normal. Okay? 2 years ago, we had this same training in Mactan, in Cebu. I was also took part in there. The same people conducting HADR, tactical combat casualty care, and everything. So we had this in Mactan, sometime third quarter of last 2024. And here we are here in Mindanao. We are now thankful and grateful that we are recipient of this training, and it's about time for us to improve our response capabilities, our ability to secure our people against man-made and natural calamities. So nothing more, nothing less. EDCA is not actually, these EDCA sites, we have 9. One here in Mindanao. It so happens it's located in Lumbia. 2 in Visayas. We have in Palawan and Cebu. We also have the remaining EDCA sites is in Luzon. So all of this, just to make clear, we have full jurisdiction over these sites, not the American forces. Okay, so that to be clear for everyone. Their participation here is to help us improve these sites. Our airstrips, our communication lines, our radar systems. So this will actually help us. Dili na kay for the record, daghan na mga nisulod diri sa atong airspace. Because of lack of technology, we cannot detect them. And here we are being provided by this technology. It help us intercept yung mga unknown and high technology that we are not capable